Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable live captions in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to enable live captions, let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Just go to settings, and in settings, just go to accessibility. The very first thing you can try to go to your Windows update section, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Windows. So if you find, just have to update your Windows over stable and strongest network connection, and then go ahead to accessibility section, and here go to captions, and in captions you will find the option of live caption. You just have to enable this, and once you have enabled, you will see bar here. So now if you want to get like captions, you just have to go back. You have to simply play anything. It might be any video, any movie from your PC, or you can also play anything on your browser. I'm gonna open a video here. So let's say I'm going to open this video. I'm going to tell you how to completely disable Copilot in Windows 11 caption of your video or your music. If you're using Windows 11 and you want in this way, you can easily enable live caption in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.